Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am super duper excited because today I will show you my first time removing my acrylic nails. If you guys don't know, I don't usually do my nails, but whenever I do, it's either in holiday seasons, for example Christmas, Thanksgiving, or my birthday. I only do my nails in special occasions, and every time I do my nails I will basically wait for my acrylic or fake nails to fall apart, and that's basically my method to remove it. But today I want to do something a little bit different. This Christmas nails has been for a long time, and I think that it is time for me to remove it. So I decided to go to YouTube and search up how to remove your acrylic nails, because yesterday I was having a really hard time. I tried doing the Metro card trick and it was not working. So I told myself that I need to basically find the professional or healthy way to remove my nails. And so today I hope that I achieve that. So you guys will be the witness to see if this method works or not. Before we start this video, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification. That way you guys are notified whenever I post a video. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and start this video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and start this video. I put this camera this way so that way you guys could view everything that I will be doing. To start off, this is how my nails look. So the first thing I did was to cut out my fake nails. Okay my love, so this is all the ingredients that I will be using today. So basically what I'm going to do is follow the YouTube tutorial that I saw. So hopefully it works. And if you guys are curious, I will link the video down below so you guys could go watch it. So based on the video that I saw, this is all the ingredients that it was used. Besides this one, because I will explain to you guys right now what's the difference between this nail remover and this nail remover. So make sure that you have a little bucket like this, so that way you put your nail remover here, and that way you could put your nails in. So you will be needing the buffing block, and also you will be needing this board. So this was the only thing that I missed guys. I couldn't find this on Target, and I couldn't find that on Target, so I will be using this to basically remove the acrylic nails once I dip it inside. But you will see the process guys. But basically this is all the ingredients that you will be needing. You will be needing the nail cutter to cut your fake nails. So yesterday I tried to use this nail remover. This nail remover is basically just a regular nail polish remover. It says that it has 96 acetone, and I thought that it having it 96% acetone will remove my fake nails, but that wasn't the case. So today I went ahead and bought this baby in CVS. You could also find it in Target. This is 100% acetone. So make sure to get this 100% acetone, because this is what the YouTube tutorial was telling me to get. So I will be using this one instead of the regular nail remover. So I'm gonna put this aside, and we're just gonna go ahead and start this method. So the first thing I'm going to do is open this baby. As you guys know, it's brand new. So just like that. Then I'm gonna pour a little bit here. I think that's enough. You don't need much, because I'm just going to dip my nails in. And based on the tutorial, it told me to dip my hand for 5 minutes, but I'm just going to boost it up for 10 minutes, and let's see if that actually works. So instead of 5 minutes, I'm gonna be doing 10 minutes because I really want my acrylic nails to remove. So I'm gonna set this for 10 minutes. So I'm going to bend this and basically put my fingers in, and I'm going to start the time. I forgot to open this. I think I should open this. For the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and open this because everything is new. I'm just going to use my teeth. Okay guys, so that was 10 minutes already, and I'm gonna go ahead and dry my hands. I have no idea why it turned like this. Oh my god, I don't know why. This is so weird. Why did my hand just turn white? I don't know, but using this baby, I'm going to try to remove my fake nails. I'm going to go ahead and start removing the colors first, guys, because this is just not working. I went and washed my hands, so now my hands are back to normal. So nothing to fear. I'm just gonna go ahead and remove the colors. Maybe that's why it's not removing. Guys, I have a little cut right here. I don't know if you guys could see it. It is really hurting my fingers right now. Might have to do this. Guys, literally this is so freaking hard. I thought the acetone nail remover was gonna make it so much easier, but it's not. I don't know. Okay, let me recheck how long it needs to be in here. Because I'm getting impatient. Okay.
Polish fast gel polish by using the hard side of nail buffer. This step will help the acetone soak off the gel polish faster. Pour 100% acetone into a tray or metal bowl. Then place your nails into it for 5 minutes.
Yeah, I should say 5 minutes.
Take your nails out and use metal pusher to clean the gel polish from the cuticle to the edge. Be careful while doing this. You don't want to damage your natural nails. Now we're going to put the nails back to acetone for another 5 minutes to soak off some of the acrylic. As you can see, it became soft and loose, so it's not hard to do.
This is not even soft, guys. Literally.
Repeat Repeat the same process several times until the acrylic has completely soaked off. You don't want to rush the process and end up ripping the acrylic off your nails. That will damage your natural nails. Once the acrylic is completely soaked off, you can use a buffer to remove any small pieces of acrylic left over on the natural nail. You can also file the edges of your nails if needed. Now it's time for some rehydration. Apply cuticle oil and buff it into your nail bed using the soft side of a buffer.
Okay, so I think now the colors are coming off. So what I need to do is basically remove the colors, I think. What do you guys do? Because I am having trouble in here. Literally, I am having trouble. What do you guys do? If you guys have any ideas that you could give me, please let me know. Is it because I don't have the what you call it that she was using? The cuticle remover? I think that's how you call it. Is it because I don't have that? I don't know. But it's making my life so hard right now. OMG, finally. Okay, so this one came out already. I had it to use my hand to help me remove it. But once it starts to loosen off, you could use your hands to remove it. Let me try this one. Honestly, to be honest with you guys, if this is how long it takes to remove this, OMG, I'm not even gonna do my nails anymore. Oh my god, guys, if I break my real nails, I'm literally gonna cry. I don't know why she put, oh my god. Okay guys, so this one already came out. Oh my god, that was, I'm not even gonna tell you, that was so hard. Okay, 3 more to go. OMG, guys. This is such a bad tutorial for you guys. I am so bad at this. OMG. Okay guys, so everything is removed now. And I'm gonna go ahead and remove this very quickly. I don't know how this is gonna go, but let me just go ahead and remove this very quickly. It should be quicker now because now I know that I need to use my hand to help me out. Oh, it smells so much like alcohol. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god, oh my god. Okay, it's coming off. It smells so bad, guys, to be honest. When I used to live with my brothers, every time I would do my nails, they would they would hate the smell. OMG. Why it hurts so much? Is this supposed to hurt? Oh my god. Hey guys, so I am finally done. I thought this was going to take, I don't know, 25 minutes to remove. OMG, it literally took an hour. I'm not even going to lie. It took an hour to remove these nails. So if you're trying to remove your fake acrylic nails, whatever you want to call it, literally you have to give it time, because it takes time, guys. It really takes time. These nails in particularly, OMG, I don't know what was wrong. I don't know. But I am going off camera, guys. I'm gonna go off camera. I'm going to clean this mess. Just don't mind the mess that's going on right now. And I'm just going to paint my nails. Obviously, I'm going to wash my nails. I'm not just going to paint over my natural and beautiful nails. I'm going to wash my nails and do whatever I have to do. And you guys will see the final result once I am back. So I'll catch you guys in a second. Okay guys, so I am back. OMG, that took so long. I literally took an hour or even more to remove my nails, clean my nails, apply my nail polish. This is the end result of my nails. I'm not even going to show you up close because this is basically the best that I could do. I still need to work on painting my nails, but at least I got the acrylics out. Like I said, that fake nail, I never experienced that before, which is not a bad thing. I think that in a certain way, it is good to have a strong acrylic attached to your nails. Is it good? I don't know. But I never experienced something like that. Like it was really hard for me to remove my acrylic nails like I usually do, which is, you know, just remove it when it's loose. But this time I was waiting for it to be loose. I honestly was getting tired of it. So yeah, I just decided to watch this YouTube tutorial, and that's basically what I did. That's basically what you guys saw. But yeah, this is just a trial and error thing. I'm not a professional, but if you guys know any ideas or there's certain things that you want to recommend to me, definitely let me know in the comments down below, because I will appreciate it so much that you guys tell me how you guys remove your acrylic nails. This is obviously my first time doing this. And one thing I have to say is that you need a lot of patience. So much patience. This is my natural nail, guys. It's not that long. It will eventually get long because I am thinking of growing it. That is it, guys. Thank you so much for clicking this video and watching me basically remove these acrylic nails for the first time. So if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel right now, so that way you guys can be notified for more videos coming up. And yeah, so without any further ado, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of your day or night, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.